Then recently she was very nice to them actually. She posed with, I don't know if anyone saw that, but she was, really flipped the switch few days
But
ago.
the funnier videos are where you have this grin and she's scolding somebody or the other and they're also like kind of
I was just like, walk, just keep
she's
walking.
amazing. I think, that's why when I introduced you, like Amitabh Bachchan, yes, but Jaya is a legend and an icon.
So I think Navya has a lot of my mother in her.
Really? How?
I think she has a lot of conviction, and I don't think it's easy to shake that. She's passionate about a lot of causes and is vocal about them. She's a lot more comfortable to come on a stage and talk about things she believes in than someone like me. I'm very shy and not good at all this. And it's actually amazing to see the way she's managed to do all this, because I'm not that person. I'm more introverted.
But you did, you wrote a book. We had you at We the Women previously, just when your book was out. You've been a designer, you've had a column. Don't you think you're too self-effacing?
I think this was in our podcast. I'm really not good with pushing myself at
No.
all. I
Yeah,
really don't know how to do that. It's just so awkward and embarrassing for me. And Navya told me before we got on, please don't be awkward. Please,
Is she being awkward?
No, I mean,
whenever she stumbles, she says whatever she said. And I'm like, what did I say?
No, if any of you have heard the podcast, I think she's got a lot to say, and I probably don't half the time give her the credit in saying that she's right, but 99% of the time she is, and she says so many things that, I hear, and I kind of tell her that, the world needs to hear this, because people look at her as being very shy and very,
Stuck up.
No, not stuck up, but she is very shy, and that's why I keep saying that it's not that, you don't have things to say, and a lot of sensible things to say, and so that's why the podcast was a slight push in that direction of getting her to actually talk about things that she believes in.
But really, what have you... I mean, it couldn't be that you agree on everything but a belly pierce. Really? If she had come to you and say, I want to join films, and I know we've spoken about this earlier, but suppose Navya had said, and I know there was a time briefly when you flirted with the idea.
I think everyone at some point flirts
Not
with the
everyone.
idea. I mean, I enjoy dancing.
I didn't flirt with the idea, so I don't know why you're saying everyone.
No, but I mean, everyone enjoys
just
dancing, and
I
it was
said-
never like a serious...
I said, are you sure? And it's really hard work.
How old were you when you thought of this?
I don't know, 16,
Okay. And
I think
suppose she had gone through.
Like my son, I would just support her silently. What do
Is
you
it
do?
the fishbowl that terrifies you, that you don't want your children to be in because you have
Yes.
been in it all your life?
Yes. I mean, which parent wouldn't want,
Yeah.
to protect their children?
Yeah, I think everyone on social media today probably has had their fair share of trolling or negative comments, and I think I keep telling myself that I chose to put myself out there, whether that's for my work, whether that's my podcast, whatever that may be. I chose to put myself out. Our podcast, sorry.
Oh, what is she? She's prodding
said
you saying,
our podcast.
Our podcast. Okay, that's good.
Our podcast. I chose to put myself out there. I chose to put myself on social media, knowing what that's going to come with, the positive and the negative. And it's something that I have to deal with. I don't think that, there are a lot of difficulties that I have personally in life. I'm grateful for that. So, I mean, it's okay. It comes with what I've chosen to do. And sometimes it's good to have criticism and to, reflect on that
What's
sometimes.
the most hurtful thing that you've had to confront?
I don't know, I have to really think about. I mean, there are people who will comment on your appearance, on your weight, on your the way that you speak, the way that you walk, and sometimes when people comment.
So that you're not qualified to do the thing.
Yeah, that was one actually of the big things that I got a couple months back, that I wasn't qualified to do what I was doing because I'm too young, and at 25, I don't know about the state of women, and I don't know about healthcare or any of these issues enough.
Who said this to you?
Somebody on Twitter, and then it became a thing, and actually I never really addressed it because I just kind of focus more on my
But I think
work.
in some other platform, you said, I don't have to wait to be 70 to
Yeah,
change
because
things.
I mean, my logic is that majority of the population in our country is young, and I don't think that what I'm speaking for is anything wrong, and I don't think that there's a right age where somebody decides to start speaking against something or for something. And if I believe in it, then why should I not be able to speak for it? And if I'm 25, that does not matter, because you know, my country is majority of people my age or close to my age. So if we aren't going to talk about things that are affecting us or concerning us, then, you know, who's going to build the future of the country? So
Yeah.
that's what I kind of